Well, vlog, what a night that was. That was the scariest Airbnb I've ever stayed in. In the morning, someone knocked on the door and asked if we stole the mirror from the bathroom. What is happening? So we booked a different Airbnb because we don't want to leave our stuff there and we want to live. So we are actually staying right next to Trinity, so that'll be cool. And a lot nicer and safer. Huzzah, because there was no toilet paper there. That's a nightmare right there. But yeah, welcome to Ireland, babe.
Thanks, babe.
I'm
sure it's lovely.
What a great first experience.
And we're like experienced Airbnbers. I've never had an experience like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a rough one. But now the fun begins. We get to walk to the city center, and then we're gonna do some exploring. We've got tours. It's gonna be a good day. She's on the phone right now talking to Airbnb, trying to get this situation sorted. Because they have like air cover, so it's supposed to like cover you if you stay somewhere super sketchy like we did. Hopefully we at least get refunded for that, because there was a man in our room.
All right, thank you, bye.
Did they suck?
Yeah.
Oh no. We got to see St. Patrick's Cathedral, which was really cool. It wasn't necessarily on our list, but we're walking by it and it was super cool, so wanted Rachel to see it. A lot of cool history. I actually didn't realize how old it was. And then it was cool hearing about the story of St. Patrick and how he was just a dude that was captured into slavery and then came back to the area where he was a slave to talk about the faith. Pretty wild, what a guy. But real update on the situation. The new Airbnb that we booked apparently was overbooked because there was an issue from Airbnb or something like that. So we still now have nowhere to stay. So we're gonna go to a coffee shop and figure it out. We stopped at a Starbucks so Rachel can get her coffee, but also so we can chill and figure out our situation where we're gonna sleep tonight. But cool thing, this Starbucks is like right next to Trinity, and actually that was my bank when I lived here. Nice. Thank you. Holy cow, we've got a hotel room. They let us in early. I love it. Airbnb's got nothing on this. We gotta go back to hotels. Oh my gosh. And it was cheaper than all the Airbnbs around here too.
Oh, I look like an angel.
You're so holy.
It's because I've died.
I know. This hotel room is wonderful after you stay in a bunch of crappy Airbnbs for so long. Oh my gosh, we have a bed. There's actually a mirror, and we didn't steal it.
Yeah.
There's a bathroom with a heated towel rack. Oh my days. We have our own bathroom. We don't have to share with people, so that's cool. That's a big shower. I'm gonna just stay in here. We don't need to go around Dublin. This hotel's just so nice. Look at that healthy lunch.
Hey, it's better than gummy bears.
Because gummy bears are not lunch.
Oh, well. Depends on who you're asking.
How are you? Thank you. Thank you. We're getting the tour of the Guinness factory. How do you feel?
I'm very excited. I'm really excited.
I'll ask you at the end.
Okay.
Even better.
Yeah, I will feel better.
Okay, awesome, thank you. That document in the floor that you just saw in glass is a 9,000-year lease that was signed by Arthur Guinness for the Guinness factory. 9,000 years. Probably locked in a pretty solid rate for rent. We should do that for our businesses. Wonder what would happen if we said, hey, can we make a lease for 9,000 years? They'd probably say no. Gravity Bar, and she's got Guinness.
I've got my Guinness.
Oh man.
It says it tastes so fresh and delicious, and I just wish you loved Guinness as much as I do.
I don't like Guinness. I'm sorry. The story's cool, the history, how it's made, love it. Just don't like dark beer. I don't really like beer in general.
Wow, to all you Guinness lovers out there.
Yeah. Finished up the Guinness tour, now it's time to check out Trinity, the alma mater. Well, we're back at Trinity. It's been 5 years since I graduated from this place. A lot has changed since then, but a lot looks the same here. And they're even setting up for Trinity Ball. Trinity Ball is a blast. I actually attended Trinity Ball. It's the largest private party in all of Europe. It is insane. You should watch the video. I'll put it up here somewhere because I vlogged when I was here as a student at Trinity Ball. Life is crazy. Edmund Burke Hall, right in there. That is where I went to a talk with the CEO of Ryanair. And he gave away free airplane tickets to people that asked really cool questions. Got my Trinity swag on now. Oh yeah, supporting the alma mater. Financially. Well, that was Trinity. Pretty fun being back. Now I gotta go fight the rain. We're going to the arcade. Hey, Ed Sheeran. We're walking on Grafton Street. Back when we were friends, I texted you a picture of this place.
I remember that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
We're at O'Neill's. However, they've changed their food structure. It used to be like a cafeteria style where you could grab a plate and then go down this line through all these chefs and get some like more traditional Irish food. They don't do that anymore. Things change. But it's still cool on the inside.
Yeah.
It's a cool Irish pub vibe.
It is a cool Irish pub.
She's got the hiccups. We're back at the hotel now because she's been so loud we have to take her off the streets. Well, it's official. We did something big. We just rented a car. And we're gonna have to drive on the other side of the road.
We?
Me. This will be a very exciting time. I rode a bike and followed all the traffic laws when I lived here. So I'm hoping that that will transition over to a car. We were thinking about getting a manual car with the manual transmission because it's so cheap to rent a manual transmission car here.
It's like 16 bucks.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
That's wild. But we had to pay 90 to get an automatic car because we don't know how to drive manual. I was watching a video on how to do it and it looked too hard, so I can't. I do drive a motorcycle though. And I thought it would be similar. It's not similar. It's too hard, I can't. So we're just gotta be automatic because we're American.
Well, and because we're millennials.
Yeah, and we're young people. We don't know how to drive manual stuff. So that'll be fun.
If anyone knows how to drive manual and want to teach us, that would be great.
Actually, yes, when we're back in the US, if we have friends that drive manuals, I would love to learn, for real. Hopefully we can do that. But for now,
in the meantime, I will document every moment of it.
Yeah, we just have to survive. We just gotta survive driving on the other side of the road first. Okay, wish us luck. We'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, to go pick up that car and drive 3 hours across Ireland.
Woo!